Here's something most people don't realize about pressure washing your car. Sometimes lower pressure actually cleans better. If you've got dirt trapped behind trims or moldings, hitting it with max pressure won't always shift it. Drop it to around 500 psi. Lower pressure lets water flow in and flush the dirt out, instead of just bouncing off the surface. High pressure equals splashback. Lower pressure equals deeper clean. After pressure washing, dry your car. Then apply Zirconite ZG365 for gloss, hydrophobics, and year-round protection. Mist on, buff off. Simple. Grab yours at conceptchemicals.com.